up with Samar.
Oh, hello.
She's getting food for Ava.
Yeah, that's true.
We were really wanting some crabs. Oh god. Wait, regular food? Oh. Okay, good. But the fried one. Did I have that one?
I don't think so. Monkey's dad said he went to the buffet in Maryland to say we open. He said it's still the same. So
Still the same?
Yeah.
We should go sometime.
He said the crawfish just don't make it by the train.
Aw, true. Yummy food. Some drama going on in the bathroom.
Go down the ladder and climb through the...
Alright, well, let's not go to the bathroom because we're gonna get stuck in there.
Lock yourself in the bathroom. I'm leaving here.
Lock myself in the bathroom, I break the window. Yeah, I'm not gonna run.
Break the door.
That'd be a sad text. Hey, I'm stuck in the bathroom. You come get me. Then you'd have to come get me. You're the only other girl.
Huh?
You'd have to come get me. You're the only other girl.
I break through the wall.
I mean, not everyone's gonna run into the wall.
Say hi. Say hi. You're just smiling. You're being shy.
She's like, I was just saying hi to everyone.
Yummy. It's pretty good.
I'm gonna grab some more sushi.
What you doing?
What you doing? Vlogger. This is Rasika. He's single. He wants some yellow Asian ladies.
Yep.
That's what he said.
I don't know about that.
That's what he said.
Anything about that?
I did not make this up.
Eat one noodle, one.
Oh, God.
Oh god.
Oh, gosh. Eat it. Missy, eat it.
Eat or mommy take it away.
Good girl.
Thank you. Oh god. One noodle. One noodle, man. One.
Good job.
That's
Yep.
one noodle. It's a piece of
Oh, crap. Alright, I'm getting ready for work and I have to cover my work logo just in case, guys. Okay, anyways. It's freaking crazy snowing right now. Oh my gosh. I mean, Sparkle's gonna love it, but I have to go to work. It sucks. Oh, his bed is out there. We were trying to clean it last night. Oh, I don't even think you guys can see. Let me see if I can, like, find where... It is, like, coming down so hard. You can probably see on that black car. Oh, you can probably see, like, near, like, the windows and stuff. Or where the tree is. You can see how fast. It's, like, crazy coming down. Oh, my gosh. And I keep hearing that the roads are really bad right now. So, Monkey is actually going to come pick us up. Alex has to work from home. I have to go into work. I have to be there 11 to 7. And then Monkey's going to pick us up because they have a Range Rover. So they're able to maneuver through the snow. Our cars will not make it. And so he's going to get all three of us, Sparko included. And Sparko is going to get to go over, play with Momo, and play in the yard in the snow. And then Alex is gonna hang out over there. He's gonna work from there and I guess hang out with Monkey. I don't know, Monkey feels lonely or something, but yeah, Monkey really wanted to drive us to work, so why not? Breakfast is served. This is my bowl. Alex has his bowl over there. Sparko cannot decide whether he wants to be outside or inside because he smells food and he thinks it's for him, and then he goes and checks. It is not for you. Oh, by the way, my socks are right there because I'm about to put them on. Alex, let's eat.
Oh.
Alex hair is funky. It's not done yet. I mean, it looks the same actually. Just not as smooth as it would if it was actually done. I think your hair is gonna stay like that forever, honey. You're gonna have a forever comb over.
My hair's too long.
It is. He has so much hair too. It's so thick. So thick. So cute. That. Look, Sparkle knocked over a can over there, but thank goodness it was empty. It's just a white gourd drink. One of these. Alex bought a whole case of it. He likes these. So. Yummy food. Yummy food. Sparkle, you have yummy food too. Go eat it. He's like, I don't want to eat it. What is this, honey? Ew. Is it dirty?
Yeah.
Ew.
No, it's not dirty. It's not cleaned out though.
Good boy. Daddy's teaching him to stay. Cute little head. Oh, he has a pretty big head, actually. But cute. Stay. Nope. Honey, you didn't tell him to stay, so he just came. Duh.
I know, I want to see how long it takes her.
Oh, you should play hide and seek with him. Let's play hide and seek, Sparko. Fix your bandana. Hi, pretty boy. Pretty boy. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, there's a birdie out there, honey. Look, Sparkle, there's a birdie out here on our gate. Oh, it flew away. Of course. I was getting scared of you, Sparkle. I think he saw it fly away. I like the bird's up there. Ooh, there it went. There it goes, Sparko. Oh my god, honey, the other day I saw a black cat on someone's balcony. And Sparkle and I was just walking by. And it saw us and it freaking went, like, creeped out of the balcony through those bars. And it climbed all the way up that tree and just, like, perched there. I was like, oh my god, so creepy. Woo! In or out, dude? Oh my god, you can't even see the lines. Sparko! Hi. My good boy. Sparko's having fun. We are going to die because Monkey likes doing donuts in parking lots. Oh my god! Oh my god! You're gonna hit a street light! Oh my god! My seatbelt isn't on. I don't know where the seatbelt is. Where's the seatbelt? I should just strap myself to Ava's car seat. That's the safest thing right now.
No, it's only good.
I'll just hold on to it because I know it won't fly out. Family dinner time!
I already gave her a whole bunch.
We found the only Asian place open right now.
Of course, the Chinese.
We found Hunan food. Spicy
When
beef
the
noodle
open
soup.
today?
Yum!
Why is there only one?
Because the
I'm gonna fight this guy.
I want to figure out if you bark or puke on him.
He like wants to eat your finger.
Are you gonna feed me?
You're so cute. Yeah. Uncle Doozy's messing with you. We just got home. And look who's with us. I decided to take her. I just take babies. It smells so good. Right, babe? Does it smell good? It smells good in here. It's my new wallflower that I got from Bath & Body Works. This one is called, let's check it out, Tuscan Herbs, I think. And it was on one of their sales. I'm like, I'm not sure if it's discontinued or not, but it smells really good right now. Look at this cutie pie. And she's in her onesie, which I love. I love onesies. I'm telling you, my baby's gonna be in onesies till they're 10. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I totally would. I love onesies. I'll just keep having babies. I love you. I love you. We're gonna get ready for bed. Oh, it's only 10:30. But when she's Mama says she sleeps real late. But when she's with us, she sleeps real early. Because we turn off all the lights and she's like, oh, I guess I have no choice. Sorry, boo boo. Uncle Doozy does have to go to work. And Sparkle's been just roaming around. He's probably gonna knock out soon, huh? You're playing with Momo. And Alex, he said he was going out to his car to get something. I'm not sure what. It is freezing in the apartment. It's freezing in here because our heater is still broken. I emailed them and they said they were going to come and fix it, but they still have not. Do I have any mail?
I don't know.
Ooh, but that can be on coupon. I actually have a lot of these. But you guys should keep these because these are the ones that never expire. They will take these all the time. Oh, let's see that. Why?
Because it's quick release. Not even make the plate.
Okay, honey, ask her again what she has.
Is that a book that you have, Ava?
Sparkle. I mean, not Sparkle. God, I always call her Sparkle. Oh, yeah, Ava, that smells good, huh?
No.
It smells good.
No.
Does it smell good? Smell it. No, it's too strong.
No.
It's too strong? Ava, I know, this Uncle Doozy's shoes everywhere. What do you have here? What is it?
Tom.
No, what is it?
Tom.
Huh? You were just saying it. Is it a book? She was just saying book so clearly to both of us.
Yeah.
Ava, what is it? What is that? What is this? What is this?
More.
Remote? Thank you. We don't need it right now. Thank you. What is this? What is this? Ava, what is it? What is it?
Stop.
What is that?
Oh, what?
What is it?
This.
It's Uncle Doozy's.
Man.
Yep. But Ava, what is this? Oh, she said it so clearly. It's probably because she knows the camera's on. Sparky, you want to go out for a little bit? Your toys are out there. Oh, it's so cold. Hey, Ava.
What the? Yes.
It's so onesie, so cute. Who is it?
Shap.
Who's that?
Shap.
Who's that?
Do. There.
Uncle Doo-Doo? Who's that? Where am I? Where's Auntie Lynn? Yeah. Where's Uncle Doozy? Yeah. Good job.
No.
All right, my camera's dying. Let's say goodnight. Let's say goodnight. Yep. It's sparkly out there. Sparkly is out there. Say good night, everybody. My camera's dying. Maybe I'll just record until it dies. Yeah. Wanna go lay down with me? Let's go lay down. I'm tired. Let's go lay down. We're tired. Box? She was playing with that box. Oh! Uncle Doozy, she's putting fingerprints on your TV.
No, Ava. Don't do it.
She said what?
More.
What happened?
Oh, girl.
Oh! Oh, Uncle Doozy.
Yes.
Ava, you're gonna make Uncle Doozy never want kids. TV. She wants to watch it. You wanna watch TV? This one's too big for your eyes, girl. We need to go to my room. Let's watch the one in the room. You wanna watch TV? Honey, she can't help but put her hand on it. It's so cute.
No, that's not cute.
It's so cute. She's innocent. She's pure and innocent. Yeah. Huh? Remote? Remote? What are you doing? Look at me. She looks like she was like trying to find a button to the TV.
Damn, that is perfect. Look at this.
What is that for?
Huh?
What is that for? Somebody's in bed with her milk. Yeah. She's got her favorite blankie with her. And let's see. Mama Sam packed. I insisted that her stuff be packed in a big bag, so we got the Trader Joe's bag. And it's nice and insulated. I'm gonna go get me one too. I need to go start this Trader Joe's craze because she's been talking about it a lot. So I'm gonna try going to Trader Joe's too because I'm pretty sure I'll start liking stuff from there. Oh, her book. Okay. So we got some night books that we're gonna read as well. We brought Good Night, I Love You, Night Night Baby, and I requested to bring her animals book. I actually bought her this long time ago, and it's a great, I think it's a great visual book for kids because it's so bright and so colorful, and it has all the animals in there. Yeah, so that's what it looks like, and it's just really cute pictures too. So I got her this long time ago, and I think she still likes it, so brought those. But yeah, this thing is just packed with diapers and some outfits, some just in case outfits, because sometimes she throws up. Sometimes, I don't know what it is. But yeah, we're probably gonna get ready for bed now. Your honey buns with all the lights on. You who likes to leave all the lights on. Sparko is outside. I'm gonna let him lay out there. He's probably knocked out there, if anything. I'm gonna leave him out there and then I'm gonna call him in. Alright, we're about to go to sleep, so. Yeah, he's sleeping out there. I don't think you guys can actually. Well, you can sort of see he's sleeping. Cutie pie. Alright, so I'm about to edit and upload some videos, which I haven't done in a while, and then I need to charge this battery.